Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your ICT classes. This is video number 16 and we are starting chapter 5, the tortoise that draws pictures. All of us have heard about robots. Some robots can be used as toys and some robots are used to perform some hazardous task. Do you know how do these robots work? They work in accordance with certain special instructions which is understood only by such machines or robots. Today in this chapter we are going to study about a software that is known as Turtle Art, in which there is a turtle or tortoise which moves according to the instructions that we give. Now let us open this Turtle Art software. For that, go to Applications, select Education, from that select Turtle Art. Okay, this is the Turtle Art window. Here we can see a blank space. In that we can see a tortoise or turtle. This will move according to the instructions that we give. And here at the top we can see a toolbar in which there are many tools, and here there is an instruction set which contains many instructions. We have to select the required instruction from this. We have to click and drag it and place it here under this start. Then after placing all the instructions here, we have to click on the start. Then the turtle will move according to that instructions, and we can see a red line where the turtle moves. So let us move on to our first activity of this chapter, that is, let's move the tortoise. We can give some instructions and we can see how the turtle or tortoise move according to that instructions. First we will select this forward instruction, click and drag and place it here under this start. Then next we will select this right, then again this forward. Okay, now we have given 3 instructions, that is, the turtle has to move forward 100 steps, then it has to turn 90 degrees to the right side, then again move forward 100 steps. So we have given 3 instructions. Now we are going to click on this start button and we can see the turtle moving according to these instructions. So at the beginning the turtle was at this position, then it has moved 100 steps forward, then turned 90 degrees to right and again moved 100 steps forward, and we can see a red line here. So this was our first activity, that is, let's move the tortoise. Then here we have many tools. In that we can see a rabbit and a snail. This is to increase and decrease the speed in which the turtle moves. If we click on this rabbit, the turtle will move very fast. If we click on this snail, then the turtle will move very slowly. Now let's try to increase and decrease the speed. Now if I click on this start, the turtle draws the line very fast. So now the turtle is too fast. Now we can reduce the speed by clicking on this snail. See, now we can see that the turtle is moving very slowly. If we click on this rabbit, it will move very fast. If we want to erase the lines drawn by the turtle, we can use this tool, which is the eraser tool. If we click on this eraser tool, the lines drawn by the turtle will be erased. See. Then if we want to start a new activity, we have to remove these instructions also. So we have 2 methods for that. First method is we can click and drag these instructions and we can place it back in the instruction set. That is first method. And second method is we can go to File menu, then select New. So these are the 2 methods to start a new activity. Either we have to click and drag the instructions and place it back to the instruction set, or from File menu we have to select New. Then in order to erase the lines drawn by the turtle, we can use this eraser tool. Then we can use these 2 tools to increase and decrease the speed in which the turtle moves. So these are the tools in the toolbar. Here we have an instruction set which contains many instructions. We have to select the required instruction and we have to click and drag it, and we have to place here under this start. After placing all the instructions, click on the start button. Then we can see the turtle moving according to the instructions that we have given, and we can see a red line where the turtle moves. So that's about our first activity, that is let's move the tortoise. Next, our second activity is let's draw a square. So how to draw a square? Now consider these instructions, that is move forward 100 steps, that is the turtle will move forward 100 steps, then it will turn 90 degrees to right side, again move forward 100 steps, then we'll get two lines. In order to make a square, we have to get two more lines. Okay, so we can again give the instruction to turn 90 degrees to right, then again move forward 100 steps, then again turn 90 degrees right, then again move forward 100 steps. In order to draw a square, we need four lines. That means we have to give four instructions to move forward. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have given move forward 100 steps instruction 4 times, and in between these instructions we have to give the instruction to turn 90 degrees right. Now let's click on the start button and we can see whether the tortoise draws a square. Okay, now the turtle has drawn a square. So that is our second activity, that is let's draw a square. Now we can save the activity that we have done now. For that, go to File menu. From that, select Save. Then a window appears. Here you can give a suitable name to this. Then select the folder in which this file should be saved. After that, click on this Save button. Now this file is saved. So in order to save the file, go to File menu, then select Save option. A window appears. There we have to give a suitable name. We have to select a folder in which the file should be saved. After that, we have to click on the Save button. Okay, now consider this square. Square means there are four sides and all the four sides will be equal. Okay, now if we want to draw a rectangle, all the four sides are not equal. There will be two long sides and two short sides for a rectangle. So how to draw a rectangle? For that we have to change the values in this instruction. Instead of moving forward 100 steps, we can give 200 steps to form the longer sides of the rectangle. Then for the shorter sides of the rectangle, we can give 100 steps. So can we change the values here in this instructions? Yes. How to change it? We have to click here. See, now we can press the backspace key in the keyboard. Then we can give the required value. Okay. So if we want to draw a square, all the four sides will be equal. So we can give same value in all the four instructions, that is move forward instructions. We can give same value. But if we want to draw a rectangle, we must have two longer sides and two shorter sides. That is the length and breadth of the rectangle. So we have to give two values which is a larger value, and two values will be smaller. So in order to change the values in the instructions, we have to just click. Then we can see a cursor. Then press the backspace key. Then we can give the required value there. Okay, this is how we can draw a rectangle. So let us summarize what we have learned in today's class. We have done two activities, that is first two activities of this chapter. Activity 1 was let's move the tortoise. We have learned about a turtle art software, how to open that, applications, education, turtle art. And in that turtle art software, or in that window, we can see a turtle which will move according to the instructions that we give. And there are many tools in the toolbar at the top portion. Then we have an instruction set in which there are many instructions. We can select the required instruction. We have to click and drag it and place it under the start button in that space. Then after placing all the instruction, we have to click on that start button. Then we can see that turtle is moving according to that instructions, and we can see a red line drawn in the path that the turtle moves. Now you have a homework. You have to write down the instructions to draw a rectangle of length 200 and breadth 100. It is the same method that we have used to draw a square. Same instructions which we have used to draw a square, but we have to change the measurements. Length should be 200 and breadth should be 100. Okay, so write down the instructions to draw a rectangle with length 200 and breadth 100 in the notebook as your homework. I hope all of you have understood the topics that we have discussed in today's class. So see you next class. Bye.